Traveling on a budget requires careful planning and discipline, but with the right strategies, you can enjoy your adventures without overspending. Here's a video on how to create and stick to a travel budget. Determine your travel goals. Before you start budgeting, clarify your travel goals. Are you planning a backpacking trip through Southeast Asia, a luxury vacation in Europe, or a road trip across the United States? Understanding your travel style and preferences will help you allocate your funds appropriately. Defining your goals will also help you decide on the length of your trip, the type of accommodation you'll choose, and the activities you'll prioritize. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire budget planning process. For example, a luxury vacation may require more funds allocated to accommodation and dining, whereas a backpacking trip may focus more on transportation and activities. Additionally, knowing your goals can help you identify specific savings opportunities, such as choosing budget airlines for short flights or opting for hostels with kitchen facilities to save on dining costs. It also helps in setting realistic expectations and creating a travel itinerary that maximizes your enjoyment without exceeding your budget. Research destinations. Once you know your travel goals, research potential destinations. Look for places that align with your interests and offer affordable options for accommodation, food, and activities. Visiting destinations during the off-season can also help reduce costs significantly. For instance, countries in Southeast Asia, like Thailand and Vietnam, are known for their affordability, whereas Western Europe, including countries like France and Switzerland, can be more expensive. Use online resources, travel blogs, and forums to get a sense of the cost of living in your desired destinations. This research will give you a realistic picture of what to expect and help you plan your budget more accurately. Create a daily budget. Develop a daily budget that covers accommodation, transportation, meals, activities, and miscellaneous expenses. Be realistic about your spending habits and consider any additional costs such as visas and travel insurance. Apps like Traby Pocket, Travel Spend, and Mint can help you track your expenses and stay within your budget. Break down your budget into categories and assign specific amounts to each category. For example, allocate a certain amount for food each day, considering how many meals you'll eat out versus cooking at your accommodation. A detailed daily budget will keep you disciplined and help prevent overspending. Additionally, review your daily budget regularly to ensure you are on track and make adjustments as needed. Set a savings goal. If you're not already saving for your trips, start now. Determine how much you need and set a realistic timeline to reach your goal. Cut back on non-essential expenses or find additional sources of income to boost your travel fund. Automatic savings plans can help make this process easier. Setting a savings goal gives you a clear target to aim for and helps you stay motivated. Consider using a separate savings account specifically for your travel fund to avoid dipping into it for other expenses. Track your progress regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your goal. Additionally, setting up visual reminders, such as a countdown calendar or travel vision board, can keep your motivation high. Involving friends or family in your savings journey can also provide support and accountability, making the process more enjoyable and successful. Identify major expenses. Your biggest travel cost will likely be transportation and accommodation. Use comparison websites like Skyscanner to find the best deals on flights. For accommodation, consider budget-friendly options like hostels, Airbnb, or even couchsurfing. Booking in advance can also lead to significant savings. When planning transportation, look for multi-destination or round-trip tickets that might offer discounts. Additionally, consider alternative accommodation options like house sitting or home exchanges, which can provide free lodging and a more authentic travel experience. Staying in locations slightly outside major tourist areas can also reduce accommodation costs while still offering easy access to popular sites. Furthermore, signing up for newsletters from airlines and booking platforms can alert you to special promotions and last-minute deals, maximizing your savings. Plan for transportation costs. Factor in all transportation costs, including flights, trains, buses, taxis, and local transit. Purchasing city passes or transportation cards can often save money on public transport. Additionally, walking and cycling are great ways to explore new places for free. Consider using ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, which can be cheaper than traditional taxis in many cities. If you plan to rent a car, compare rental companies and book in advance to get the best rates. Research local transportation options and costs before you arrive to avoid surprises. Additionally, consider multi-city or regional passes if you're traveling through multiple destinations. as these can offer substantial savings. For longer trips, look into memberships or loyalty programs that provide discounts on various transportation services, further reducing your overall travel expenses. Estimate food costs. Food is a major travel expense, but there are ways to save. Eating like a local, opting for street food, and cooking some meals can significantly reduce costs. Allocate a daily food budget and stick to it. In more expensive countries, grocery shopping can be a cost-effective alternative to dining out. Research local markets and grocery stores to find affordable ingredients. Many hostels and vacation rentals have kitchen facilities, allowing you to prepare your own meals. Consider packing snacks for day trips to avoid buying expensive food on the go. Additionally, participating in local food tours can be a budget-friendly way to sample various dishes while learning about the culture. Look for accommodation that includes breakfast, as this can help you save on one meal per day and stretch your food budget even further. Plan for activities. Include cost for activities and sightseeing in your budget. Research free or discounted attractions and consider city passes that offer bundled deals on multiple sites. Booking tours and activities in advance can also help secure better prices. Look for free walking tours, museum days, and local events that offer a taste of the culture without breaking the bank. Prioritize the activities that are most important to you and allocate your budget accordingly. Keep an eye out for special deals and discounts offered by local tourism boards and attractions. Additionally, check out travel forums and social media groups for insider tips on budget-friendly activities. Connecting with locals can also lead to discovering lesser-known but equally exciting experiences. Include travel insurance. Travel insurance is crucial for covering unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Allocate about 4 to 10% of your total trip cost for insurance. Check if your credit card offers any travel insurance benefits to save on this expense. Research different travel insurance providers and compare their coverage options and prices. Make sure the policy you choose covers all the activities you plan to do and any pre-existing medical conditions you might have. Having travel insurance provides peace of mind and financial protection during your trip. Furthermore, it can also cover less obvious expenses like emergency evacuation and repatriation, which can be extremely costly. Additionally, some policies offer 24/7 assistance services, which can be invaluable in navigating medical or logistical emergencies while abroad. Add a contingency fund. No matter how well you plan, unexpected costs can arise. Set aside a contingency fund of about 10 to 15% of your total budget to cover unforeseen expenses. This could include anything from medical emergencies to last-minute changes in your itinerary. Having a contingency fund ensures that you're prepared for surprises without derailing your entire budget. If you don't end up using it, you can either save it for your next trip or use it for extra treats and experiences during your current travels. Moreover, this fund can provide peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your trip with less worry about potential financial hiccups. Additionally, knowing you have a financial cushion can make you more comfortable with indulging in spontaneous activities that may enhance your travel experience. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and budgeting advice. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Happy travels!